Hello everyone. Let's learn Kubernetes deployments. Number one, purpose of deployments. A deployment in Kubernetes provides declarative updates for pods and replica sets. It allows you to, number one, automatically manage replica pods. Number two, easily scale applications up or down, perform rolling updates and rollbacks. And number four, maintain desired state configuration over time. Deployments are ideal when you want high availability and easy application lifecycle management. Number two, creating deployments via YAML. You can define a deployment in a YAML file to describe how the application should run. Sample deployment YAML. Create a file named nginx-deployment.yml. API version apps/v1. Kind deployment. Metadata name nginx-deployment. Labels app nginx. Spec replicas 3. Selector then under that match labels app nginx. Template metadata labels app nginx. Spec containers then hyphen name nginx. Image nginx 1.25.3. Ports hyphen container port 80. So let's first create that file, this one. Control-C, I have copied. I shall go to tutorial, then DevOps, then mkdir 058, cd 058, touch this file name which I have copied, code dot. Please wait. This file is there. So I shall copy everything in that file and paste it here. Save it. Okay. Next. Slideshow. Go to next one. Apply the deployment. kubectl apply -f nginx-deployment.yml. Verify the deployment. Check deployment status. kubectl get deployments. Check created pods. kubectl get pods. So I shall go to here. Now first start mini cube start. Please wait until it's starting. Please wait. Yes, I think it will be done. Yes. Now kubectl apply -f nginx hyphen deployment dot yaml created. Verify the deployment, check deployment status, kubectl get deployment ready is not, it's not ready, up to date, available not, age this, then again, yes, this is available, first part is done, let's wait, yes, 3 by 3, up to date, and this is available, okay, and check deployment status, you have checked this, now kubectl get ports 3, those 3s are running, okay, next, updating deployments, to update the deployment, for example, change the image version, edit YAML or use kubectl set command. Method 1, edit YAML file, change the image version of nginx deployment.yaml image nginx 1.26.0. Then apply the changes. Kubectl apply -f nginx deployment.yaml. Method 2, kubectl set command. Just use this command to set it. Kubectl set image deployment / nginx hyphen within deployment. This is nginx deployment. Then nginx is equal to nginx 1.26.0. Verify the update. Kubectl rollout status deployment / nginx hyphen deployment. Check updated ports. Kubectl get ports. Okay. So let's start it. First, I shall go here. I will make this one 26.0. Let's try this one and go to here. Go to here. I shall type kubectl apply -f nginx deployment dot yaml. Apply this. Sorry, command not kubectl. Yes, deployment configured. Verify the update. Kubectl. I'm running this command. Rollout status deployment / nginx hyphen deployment. Is there anything else? No. Press enter. Error server not found. Kubectl rollout status deployment deployment ng. Okay, ng. Deployment successfully rolled out. Okay, check updated ports. Kubectl get ports. It's there running. Next, I shall use this command. kubectl set image deployment slash ngx deployment ngx 1.26.0. I shall make it 1. So that previously I have changed it. Let's make this 1, and I want to check what will happen. Yes, like this. kubectl set image deployment slash nginx hyphen deployment nginx is equal to nginx colon 1.26.1. Update it. It's very fast. Now I shall check is kubectl rollout status deployment slash nginx hyphen deployment. Okay, and then check updated ports. kubectl get ports. Okay. Next, rolling updates and rollbacks. Rolling updates. Kubernetes uses rolling updates by default. When you update a deployment, it ensures that not all replicas are updated at once, preventing downtime. You can watch a rolling update in real time. kubectl rollout, then status, then deployment slash nginx deployment. Let's try this out. kubectl roll out status, then deployment slash nginx hyphen deployment. Successfully rolled out. Okay. And here rollbacks. Have I used status? Yes, status. Rollbacks. If an update causes issues, you can roll back to the previous version. Run this command to roll back. kubectl rollout undo deployment slash nginx hyphen deployment. You can view the rollout history with this command. kubectl rollout history deployment slash nginx hyphen deployment. So let's try this. kubectl roll out, then undo deployment nginx hyphen deployment deployment rolled back. Okay, you can view the rollout history. kubectl roll out history, rollout history, deployment /nginx hyphen deployment. Change cost none revision. Okay. Slideshow, go to slideshow. Extra tips to scale the development. Kubectl scale deployment. Sorry, to scale the deployment. Kubectl scale deployment /nginx hyphen deployment hyphen replicas is equal to 5. To delete the deployment, kubectl delete deployment nginx hyphen deployment. So let's try this. Kubectl scale deployment nginx hyphen deployment hyphen replicas is equal to 5. Okay, how to see this? Let's go here. What to see? Okay, kubectl, this one. Let's try this out. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, and this one. Okay, I am searching for this one. You see, previously there was 3 replicas, now it is 5. Okay. Here. To delete the deployment, kubectl delete deployment nginx deployment. Kubectl delete deployment nginx hyphen deployment. So it is deleted. Run the previous command. No resources found. And that one also. Yes, error server deployment apps not found. Okay, this is not found. Slideshow. Go to next one. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned number 1, what deployments are and why they are important, how to create and apply deployment YAML. Number 3, how to update deployments and perform rolling updates. Number 4, how to roll back to previous versions if needed. That's all for now. Thank you.